teachers and friends, my name is Clameera and I am 8 years old. I'm in 3rd grade and I study at Charis Global School. Today I want to make craft, which is flower from origami paper and vase from plastic bottles. If you want to make flower and vase, you need glitter paper, flannel, origami paper, pom-pom, decorative stuff, scissors, tape, double tape, glue gun, stick, plastic bottles, cardboard. First, let's make flower. The first step is you have to fold the origami paper like this. After you fold it, you put double tape over here. And then you need to cut from this to this. Be careful, friends, do not cut all the paper. This is the result. After you cut it, you open it like this. Next, you open the double tape. And then you flip this side to this side. After you stick the papers together, you put double tape on this side. This is the result. If you want to make the stem, you need green origami paper and stick so you can roll it. You can roll the paper like this. This is the result of the stem. My mom helped me put the pom-pom with glue gun because glue gun is hot. After that, you open the double tape and stick the stem over here and roll it. To make the leaf, you fold the paper over here like this and like this, and then you cut it like a semicircle. These are the results. Then you stick the leaves on the stem using double tape like this. Then it's time to make the vase. First, you need to cut the glitter paper into small pieces. And then you cut the bottle over here. You need your parents to help you because it's difficult and dangerous. And then you open this. And then you stick the glitter paper to the bottle. This is the result. Do you like it? You can also add decorations, so it's beautiful. You can put it in your living room, your bedroom, anywhere you want, so it will be beautiful. After making crafts, we can study parts of the plants. Do you remember the lesson from our teacher? Flower makes seed for the plants. Leaf makes food for the plants. Stem support the plants and carry food. Roots looking for water and mineral. Thank you, teachers and friends, for your attention. Happy studying, be creative, and also be happy. Bye-bye. See you next time.